In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate and use correlation in Tableau using aggregate functions and window functions. First, let's get started by opening up the Tableau public app. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the Tableau website. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and access your worksheet. This will serve as the canvas for all of our work today. Now begin by dragging the sales field into the column shelf. After placing it there, you want to change it from a measure to a dimension. This is crucial because it adjusts how Tableau processes this data, setting it up perfectly for our correlation analysis. Next, you'll want to drag the profit field onto the row shelf, and similarly, change it from a measure to a dimension. By doing this, you're setting the stage to visually analyze the relationship between sales and profit, crucial components in understanding correlations. After setting up the basic layout, drag the sales field again, but this time to the size in the marks card. This step is all about enhancing the visual perception of your sales data, giving you a more intuitive understanding of the size of your data points in the visualization. Following that, it's time to drag the profit field onto color in the marks card. What this does is add an additional layer of visual distinction, representing different levels of profit in varying colors. This step is vital for quickly identifying data clusters or trends related to profitability. Once our foundations are laid, it's time to perform some calculations. Open a new sheet in Tableau, head over to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. Give this new calculated field a name that's easy to recognize. It's where we'll define the specific query needed for our correlation computation. Once the query is in place, click OK to save it. With your calculated field ready, drag it to the text in the marks card. At this point, you'll see the calculated correlation appear. This number represents the relationship between your sales and profit data. For additional analysis, you might want to open the calculated field again. Here, you can refine its name, modify the query if needed, and again, click OK to confirm your changes. Now, navigate back to your first sheet. Here, you should drag both of your calculated fields into the Details section of the marks card. This enables Tableau to recognize these fields as integral parts of your overall data set. Finally, you can personalize your visualization by double-clicking on the title. This allows you to insert the calculated field directly into the text, adding an extra layer of context and relevance to your analysis. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to calculating and using correlation in Tableau, all done using aggregate and window functions. This approach not only helps in understanding the underlying data better, but also provides powerful insights into the relationship between key metrics like sales and profit. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.